After some period of use, no longer than every 3 months, the exhaust system should be inspected and cleaned. If you suspect any material has been sucked into the plenum which may interfere with the exhaust of laser fumes and/or combustible material, immediately stop using the laser and inspect the exhaust hose and blower. The space below the platform which supports the honeycomb bed should be cleaned periodically. After a lengthy period of use, the power of the laser will decline. This may be due to the natural loss of power generation by the laser tube or degradation of the mirrors that reflect the light from the tube. The laser tube, reflecting mirrors, and lens assembly can be replaced. After replacement, the system should be refocused and tested. This should only be done by an experienced technician.